morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the market. Greg?
The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. Nike shares made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The dollar was near a two-week high against a basket of currencies as investors addressed US economic data that showed a cooling labor market, while wagering the Federal Reserve will cut rates next year. US stocks and Treasury yields wavered after reports showed that employers advertised far fewer job openings at the end of October than expected, while growth for services businesses accelerated more last month than expected. European leaders plan to warn Chinese leader Xi Jinping that the bloc is prepared to impose new sanctions and trade penalties on his nation unless it acts to address economic frictions and rein in exports to Russia of goods used for its war in Ukraine, EU officials said before a summit in Beijing.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
Germany's industrial production will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's exports at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's gross domestic product at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2330 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.